Erev Shabbos, Rabbi Meza. How are you?
Hi, Rabbi Kolakowski. How are you?
Very good, very good. So you said some people were questioning whether or not I gave you smicha.
Yeah. Well, first of
Um,
all, I mean, they're like clearly before you gave me smicha, I got smicha with Rabbi Jeff Fidel, right?
right.
And that stands on its own, right? I'm sure you've heard of Jeff. He's probably the most popular Jew
No,
in the
I
old
know
city.
Jeff. I
Yeah,
remember
yeah.
because I learned in
And
Yerushalayim.
yeah. So I mean, I have the
Rabbi Jeff.
documentation. Rabbi Jeff Fidel came out on audio saying yes, he gave me smicha, but regardless, I don't care about titles. I just don't like people calling me a louder. So I mean, I
Right.
have smicha that you gave me, and it's true. When you met me, I just moved to Virginia. I was learning yeshiva before. I worked for Jeff Sedel for many years. I was still working for Jeff Sedel, like even in Virginia, even going back and forth to Israel once in a while. Um, when you gave me smicha, it wasn't only because I had smicha from Jeff Sedel, but because it was you knew me, you learned with me, correct?
Correct. Because I was the rabbi of the Young Israel of Richmond, Virginia, and you came and davened in our shul,
Hmm.
and I saw that you're a pious Jew who keeps Torah mitzvos and believes in the 13 principles of faith. And so generally, I I will give an ordination to anyone who is a Jew who's shomer Torah mitzvahs, or or even a Noahide who wants to have a title minister something. But you served as our associate rabbi together with me there at the Young Israel Synagogue,
Yeah,
and
we worked in
so
the prisons
I
also.
didn't
Yeah, we
what.
started prison work as well. I
Yeah,
assisted
we did
you.
a lot of outreach work. We'd visit prisons, we visit the colleges. We did a
Mhm.
lot of work together. We did a Hebrew school,
And
and
we started an online yeshiva called E Yeshiva, and we
yeah,
give classes many times a week. And I mean, there's what to be said like regarding the impact we had in that small community. I mean, I think they
yeah,
should continue to
and not
grow.
only there, but around.
100%. We worked with people in Muncie that we would transport people, like religious prison work, like trying to
Yeah,
bring families together. Yeah, we did a lot of good work together, and God willing, we should continue doing work in the future.
Mirz
But yeah,
Hashem.
I've always respected you, and we don't always agree on everything, and that's fine. I think what
No,
you know.
nobody agrees on everything. That's
Hmm.
that's part of what the whole Klal Yisrael is about.
100%. What's your website? Like, you want to let people know in case you're in the upper New York State area, correct?
I a website. I have this YouTube channel. That's the main thing. Most of my other websites. I don't know if I have any of my websites still up because things changed with
Hmm.
GeoCities or whatever and Yahoo
Wow, GeoCities. That's all.
hosting. So I
Hmm.
lost all of those. But
Hmm.
I live in White Lake, New York. I'm a rabbi, also Shabbos in Great Neck, New York. It's a few minutes before Shabbos. But I know this was a pressing issue. People were accusing you of saying something not true. But I'm
Yeah, I don't
just
care about the
confirming that you're
title.
telling
I
the
mean,
truth.
I've I think they say the Chafetz Chaim never got smicha. It's clearly a meritocracy. It's what you do.
Yeah,
The
it's not.
title
Yeah,
means
the smicha
nothing.
doesn't really mean very
It
much.
means nothing, but for some reason, for people on TikTok, it means something, which is fine. People don't have to call me rabbi, but this is proof. I have two smichas, and if that's not enough, then that's fine. I mean, like, I'd rather be influential than powerful, right? Especially if like just hiding behind a title for power. That's not me. That's not what I want to do. I believe in Torah mitzvahs, and I do believe in making more Jews. And I think the more from Jews we have on this planet, the better off we will be. And that's my whole shtick. But thank you. I appreciate you, and have a good Shabbos, Rabbi.
All right, good Shabbos, Rabbi. We'll see you later.
Okay, be a bench.